Now the material of both of the printers stays the same, the shell, the sides, and as we pan to the back here, just want to show you, you'll notice that they're pretty much identical too. So the only difference that I see here is, once again, when you look at here how it's feeding the actual tube, and let me go ahead and pan a little bit further up so you guys can see that right there. This just seems that it has, again, less tension going through, as this one does, just so based on the design. And you can see how higher up the actual chain rises. Back, same filament sensor on the back, and you can see that the only differences that we have is that now we have this carbon filter here. And this carbon filter, I don't know how effective it's going to be, but I just wanted to show you. Notice how I can see almost through it. When I see carbon filters, they have a lot of carbon in it. This is activated carbon that's supposed to deal with abrasive odors, and I just don't know how effective this is when it has. It seems like very little. You can literally see through it. So I do have it connected, and I did check. As you look at here, our K1C, and I look at my K1, I can just put this in this area, possibly with an adapter, because it won't. It's just there. You go. It will connect in really easy. So I may just print out another one for this one too.